हेलो एंड नमस्ते टू एवरीवन, मैं हूं अमर और आप सबका स्वागत है पंजाब केसरी और नवोदय टाइम्स पे। अभी मैंने एक मूवी का ट्रेलर देखा, मूवी का नाम है पुणे हाईवे, और जैसे ही मैंने ट्रेलर देखा उसके बाद मेरा मन हुआ कि मैं सीधे मूवी देखूं, एंड दैट्स व्हाट अ ट्रेलर शुड डू। मेरे साथ है मूवी की कास्ट, एंड विद मी अमित, अंजलि, कीर्ति एंड जिम। कैसा जा रहा है आपका प्रमोशन स्प्री? हेक्टिक और फन?
Both.
Fun
Okay.
and hectic.
हेक्टिक फन।
काफी हेक्टिक चल रहा है मामला.
Okay, so before I start, what is that one question which members of media ask for conversation starters जिसको बैन कर देना चाहिए?
दो लिस्ट बताता हूँ.
इसमें we should be banned ताकि I am ready.
हाँ, तुम हमसे बुलवा के हमें बैंड करा दोगे.
तो
बैंड
होगा
बजवा
ना,
दोगे हमारी.
there's one लोग पूछते हैं कि I see this question a lot of times कि प्रैंक खेला क्या सेट पे, बल्कि एक्टर्स डोंट कम ऑन द सेट्स टू प्ले प्रैंक्स.
बट और क्या?
मुझे तो ये लगता है दैट्स वेरी
नहीं, प्रैंक तो नहीं हुआ. बाकी बहुत कुछ हो गया.
ओके. आफ्टर सीइंग द ट्रेलर मुझे ये रियलाइज हुआ कि इस मूवी में फ्रेंडशिप्स हैं और एक एक्सटर्नल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है जो इनके लाइफ में कहीं से रिलेटेड नहीं था इन द पास्ट, एंड इट ब्रेक्स और टेस्ट देयर बॉन्ड, है ना? तो इज दिस द प्राइमरी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ द फिल्म?
We
बिकॉज़
respect your views.
इज दिस द प्राइमरी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट?
We respect your views.
You all want to add anything?
She also respects your views.
Okay. Jim?
There's a close group of friends.
मैं तेरा 10 मिनट में टहल के आता हूँ. मुझे पता है बात कहाँ पे आई.
Okay. Okay.
छत पे वो जो बात होता है ना. नहीं. So there's a tight group of friends. They've grown up in the same building.
Okay.
I really do think that like a Parsi Bagh, you know, or like anyone that doesn't leave the building, the kind of friendship you get is something else, right? Whenever you live together, see each other every day, every evening, entering, exiting, it's something else. Different from a friendship where you all live separately and you'll meet every now and then and you talk on the phone. It's different. You wind up being on the roof together. You wind up finding a small hopcha somewhere.
Correct.
Where you talk, where you download the day, where
You have नारियल पानी.
you know, have nariyal pani, you lighten your mood, you know, whatever it is. Now, of this tight group, something happens, which suddenly causes ripples within the group, where suddenly your understanding of everyone is being questioned. That's the
उसका क्वेश्चन भी यही था.
that's the crux of the film.
And the grays come in.
Huh?
And the grays of the characters come in. You know?
The grays of the characters come in.
Okay.
Precisely.
Okay. So I've read somewhere that every project teaches an actor something about their craft. That I can do this also, and they pat their back कि ये भी एक difficult emotion भी मैंने crack कर लिया.
Question Manjri would like to answer.
While shooting for
It's a very Manjri type of. You know, एक काम करोगे आप बाबू, आप क्वेश्चन पूछो, मैं आपको बताऊंगा ये क्वेश्चन किसके लिए.
बिल्कुल. So while shooting for Pune Highway, कुछ ऐसा
मंजरी.
एक moment था जब आपको लगा यार I did this.
Manju, you answer this question.
I'm not a violent person. I'm not a violent person at all. Okay, I'm a very. I run away from conflict. But in this, there is a
Seriously,
moment.
Manjari?
Did I have a conflict with you?
इतनी बॉन्डिंग होगी इन दोनों के बीच में, they become soul sisters. उसको ज्यादा इनका conflict.
So yeah, I mean, like, I kind of found that rage in me, which I took out in the scene,
Yeah.
and that's it. Like, you know, I mean, I enjoy doing that actually. It's fun. Yeah. I mean, basically, we have a fight.
Yeah. Okay. And cut back to the Manjri you are in real life.
Yeah.
You guys learn anything about yourself? A difficult emotion? Maybe.
Can.
No.
No.
That pause. And then
That was quick, Kirti. Wow.
Well done.
Okay. Okay. But congratulations.
Well, you
The
didn't
tra-
ask Jim and me.
Jim.
Jim, what did you learn?
Well, I'm trying to think. I'm trying to actually think. Is there something that I took away that I was like, oh, okay, this as well? I had to drive. I don't usually drive.
Ah.
That was tough. See, you can't achieve anything whose potential is not within you already, right?
True.
If the potential is not already within you, you can't suddenly magically achieve it on screen.
True. True.
You have to tap into something that's already, a version of it is already there. And then you have to shape it and mold it, hopefully, to suit the character and the lines and the parameters of the scene.
Yeah.
So, so usually, in most films that I do, I prefer, as much as possible, in a scene where, let's say, you're supposed to cry, to fight it and fight it and fight it and fight it as long as I can possibly fight it,
Yeah.
while still saying the lines. Unless it's particularly written that the person breaks down. Even then, I try to fight it for as long as possible, because I feel there's something very beautiful in a person trying to be brave in the face of being overwhelmed by an emotion. However, there is a scene in Pune Highway where, given the particular nature of the relationships in question, it just burst forth. And I enjoyed riding the burst also. That was a nice,
Yeah.
slightly new
Thing to do.
thing for me to do.
Amit ji, बताइए.
Yeah, I just had fun working with them.
That's a new.
Huh?
That's a thing.
Not necessarily. I mean, I've had fun before, but
Yeah.
I really enjoyed working with all of them.
Okay. In the context of the friendships of the film, जो दिखा रहे हैं एकदम close pack है, वो जो शुरुआत का टाइम है to set the tone कि ये friends हैं, वो सब भी दिखाया है initially that they are friends, they've grown up together.
हाँ, but you saw the trailer. उसमें
In the trailer it was not shown.
teaser दिखाया वो.
No, I just saw the
अच्छा,
trailer.
Did you see all the kids in the trailer?
Yeah.
so
The
that's
one, the
us.
mask.
That's us.
Oh,
Yes, yes,
oh.
that's us.
Oh, okay. मतलब it's there.
So it's a friendship. So it's a friendship which starts. जैसे जिम ने कहा छत पे 10 साल की उम्र में तुम्हें बॉलिंग आती है, चलो बैटिंग आती है, चलो खेलते हैं, क्रिकेट खेलते हैं,
ऐसे होता
मस्ती
है.
करते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So one aspect which I also like about this film also that goes, you know, I like movies that go back in the day, today, and what happened. So the journey is kind of, you know, there's more depth, there's more, there's a lot more at stake.
Okay. My next question, अमित एंड मंजरी, आप दोनों ने अपना करियर तकरीबन अर्ली 2000s में चालू किया था,
25-30 साल पहले.
if I'm right. और तब थिंग्स वेरी डिफरेंट. आज कहते हैं कि सब कुछ बहुत स्ट्रीमलाइंड है, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी स्ट्रक्चर्ड, सबके पास अपनी वैनिटी होती है, टीम्स होती है, एवरीवन इज ऑन टाइम. बट अगर मैं आप दोनों से पूछूं कि उस टाइम में ऐसा क्या था विच यू गाइज मिस ड्यूरिंग दीज टाइम्स, एंड इफ यू कैन मेक दैट थिंग टू मेक अ कम बैक, अर्ली 2000 में ऐसा क्या था जो शायद अब लैकिंग है, अ गुड थिंग मे बी.
Yeah, I was very fortunate. I think television. I started with like an important part, and I was lucky because I didn't know A of acting. So I was fortunate that I got it. And since I got that part, later I realized वो part मिला था इसलिए इज्जत मिल रही थी. And then I decided to make movies. I mean, act in movies, and found a deeper connect with acting and this, you know, movie making. And the first film I did without any grudge against it, there was no vanity for me. And I didn't care. I didn't care. मेरे आसपास जो लोग हैं उनको ज़्यादा परेशानी हो रही थी कि आपको वैनिटी नहीं दी. मैंने कहा इस समय अर्जुन को सिर्फ मछली की आँख दिखती है, ये रोल मिला है, इसको करते हैं. So I just hope, I mean, I hope that everyone is, but it's not, life is not fair, you know what I mean. But I just feel, जो basics जो amenities होती है ना, खाना पीना रहना, I think सबको अच्छा मिलना चाहिए. बेहतर हो रहे हैं, you know, but अभी भी बहुत लोग हैं, I think, जिनको शायद, you know, vanity नहीं मिलती होगी. So it's a tight spot. And I just feel that I make sure on my side that everybody feasts well, eats well, everyone is respected. Whether you have one line, you have 10 lines, you know, everybody is looked after. And you know, and I can definitely say for our film, people like Rahul Bugs, you know, they made sure that we all were treated equally, and
That's very
we,
important.
you know, Manjari had 2 vanities. Because Manjari is Bugs' favorite. She's done 3 films, 4th is coming, 5th they are planning. So that's a different thing.
Lovely.
We'll talk about it in the post Pune Highway.
Okay. Manju, do you miss anything from that era?
Honestly, no,
Okay.
I don't. I have more work now and better work now than I ever did in that time.
Very nice.
So I prefer current situation, but also like in the early 20s, I was just right out of my out of in junior college when I started my career and everything. So I was a little girl in my head, and I did not know much about the world. Like I was just growing up at that point of time. So I was confused. I did not have any guidance in this profession. I did not know how to even do my makeup. I still remember the first time I went for my first very audition. I had just gone पता नहीं क्या makeup करके गई थी मैं, because after my audition they really liked my audition. And that the executive producer was like, we really like your audition, but if you don't mind, could you please go wash your face and come? My makeup was so bad. So I did not know anything how to present myself, how to dress up, how to be all impressive and all that. I just knew that I know my craft and that's it. So it took me a long time to learn everything that I know about myself and about everything else about the film industry. So I feel more comfortable today. I found myself, I've found my own in the industry today. So I think I'm in a better place.
Fair point. To more movies like Pune Highway.
Huh?
To more movies like Pune.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Bugs is making next one.
Now, मैं आपका एक इंटरव्यू देख रहा था, उसमें आपने कहा था कि when we talk about friendships in the industry, सबके ब्रो हैं. Everyone is everyone's bro, but ऐसे में कोई brother
अरे वैसे बोल
We should have banned this
This
question.
This question. This question is banned.
No, we've just been asked it 40 times. That's all.
So, जैसे आप कह रहे थे उस इंटरव्यू में कि सबके ब्रो हैं, but
तो
असली
अपने
में
तुमसे बड़ा मैं ना उम्मीद हो गया. दूसरों के सवाल चोरी वोरी करके आओ.
नहीं, मेरा क्वेश्चन अलग है.
अच्छा बताओ.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि why जो यहाँ पे सारी चीजें वो इतनी ट्रांजैक्शन क्यों है? एक तो ये होता है क्योंकि आप काम पे मिल रहे हैं, इट्स योर वर्क प्लेस. दिस कैन बी वन रीजन. कभी कभी होता है कि सेट्स पे वाइब बहुत अच्छी होती है, और मैंने कहीं पढ़ा है कि अगर वाइब जितनी अच्छी हो, इट इवेंचुअली रिफ्लेक्ट्स ऑन द बिगर स्क्रीन. यू टेक अवे मेमोरीज. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आपकी एक फैमिली बन जाती है, बिकॉज एज एक्टर्स, आई थिंक एक्टर्स ऐसा फील्ड है जो बहुत सारे नए लोगों से बहुत मिलता है सेट्स पे. जब प्रमोशंस होते हैं तो हम
आप लोग भी बहुत लोगों से मिलते हैं. हम लोग से ज्यादा आप लोग भी मिलते हैं.
बिल्कुल. तो व्हाई इज इट सो ट्रिकी टू कीप
यार मुझे इतना नहीं पता. आज मैं उस समय वो बोला था, आज मैंने पुणे हाईवे पे मैं बोल रहा हूँ, आई हैव मेड सच वंडरफुल फ्रेंड्स. मैं जिम को तो छोड़ूंगा नहीं, 7 पाताल तक ढूंढ के आऊंगा. मैं मजाक में नहीं कह रहा हूँ.
जी जी.
और केतकी को ढूंढना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो कभी साउथ में होती है, मलयालम फिल्म कर रही होती है, कभी पुणे, बट उसको भी छोड़ूंगा नहीं. ठीक है. और मंजरी से थोड़ा बचना पड़ता है. मंजरी वैसे ही बग्स के साथ बिजी रहती है क्योंकि 4 फिल्में हो चुकी हैं. बट मैं अपना स्टेटमेंट चेंज करता हूँ. लाइव टेलीविजन पे दोस्तियां होती हैं और यहाँ भी हैं.
He changed his statement. He changed his statement. He was blaming me till now for it.
You know, और मंजरी के साथ 2 दिन बिताने के बाद और उनकी पॉजिटिविटी देखने के बाद कि दोस्ती, आपका दोस्ती बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ में.
Also on his behalf.
मैं आता हूँ जरा.
Yeah, I'll say that sometimes you say something after a film or before a film or during a film, and then people like to take it and apply it as a golden rule. But things aren't golden rules. Things are things you feel in the moment. Things are things that sometimes come up. Things are things that you may have been hurt by somebody sometimes.
What just happens 30
it
minutes
just
before that
happened.
interview also determines what you've said.
You speak about that, So there's no golden rule in any of these circumstances. Sometimes you're very happy that nobody wants to be your friend on set, and you go and you do your work and you come home. Sometimes that's the vibe. Sometimes the vibe is like what Bugs and Rahul endeavor to create, and they really make an effort to create this. And you could already feel there was this sense of camaraderie, equality. We're all rowing in the same boat together, and we're all heading towards this destination. All of us together. they had already had chemistry and knew each other from before, and chemistry with the makers. Say,
with the makers.
with the makers, with Bugs and Rahul already.
Yeah.
You know, they already had that. So we entered this very happy, warm, encouraging, friendly atmosphere, and they both are extremely earnest, very lovable people.
It goes without saying.
They'll say what they have to say to your face.
Yeah.
You aren't worried that they're saying things behind your back and this is a backbiting kind of. It's not that at
Yeah.
all. You can talk, you can express yourself.
Bilkul.
It's clear,
Bilkul.
it's lovely,
Bilkul.
it's happy. You do your work, you go home. You want to talk more, you can. You don't want to talk, you don't. They respect where you are. They respect your process. They respect what mental state you may be in that moment. They make it easy for you. They make it light for you if they see that you're getting worried by something or nervous about the next scene or just confused as to the blocking isn't sitting for you, so you have to figure it out.
Yeah.
They give you the space to do it, and they'll come and give you a little shoulder also in case you say, what's happening, what's up, what's going on. You know?
Yeah.
So I don't know what he said in the past.
Yeah.
All I can say is
अरे यार इंटरव्यू हो रहा था किसी ने पूछा मैंने कोई ब्रो नहीं है दिन भर ब्रो करते हैं कुछ नहीं like and I say things like अभी बुरा is going to haunt me now
But the
आपका कोई
fact-
दोस्त नहीं है
The fact is, I also recently said something very similar. We've lost the idea of what it means to call somebody a brother or a sister. In this world, brothers and sisters, they call each other out and they have each other's back.
Yes.
That's the very fact of it.
Basics. Yes.
We want to say it's simple. We don't have the person's back and we don't call the other person out. You know, we don't correct or we don't have that conversation that might be difficult, that might be taken in the wrong way. You have to have courage to do those things. Not everyone has the time for that. Everyone has their own full lives. Expecting it from someone is actually crazy. But when you get it, it's lovely.
Lovely answer.
you get it
Yeah, I get it. I was talking to Rahul and Bugs a while back, and they were also saying, I was talking to them about how corporates have come in, and kabhi independent producers have to take a back seat. But उन्होंने बताया कि with us also, because we were driving the boat, we stood our ground, and हमने creative पूरी जो पार थी अपने हाथों में ली, और जिस तरीके से हमें मूवी बनाई थी वैसी ही बनाई, without getting affected by external bombarding of things. So I think what you just were mentioning, it looks like that a very special project is on its way. Now, Ketki, I want to ask you, आजकल we always talk about how South films are doing so well. They are wholesome, or it's a very flourishing industry. But I want to ask you something different. Every industry has a problematic area. जैसे यहाँ पर there's an unending debate of the insider-outsider thing, which is now just focused to me. Down south, I'm sure it also has its challenging areas where it can improve. तो आपके हिसाब से, what are those areas in down south which are problematic or need improvement?
I think I have worked in Malayalam, so I can talk about that.
बिल्कुल.
I think women in Malayalam films are very powerful. They have their own voice, and I mean, they don't take whatever it is coming to them. I mean, of course, like in every industry, there will be some or other problems.
Yeah.
But now this internal complaint committee, ICC, Women in Cinema Collective people have started, and which is helping a lot. A lot of women are coming out and talking about it, and I think it's amazing. Whenever I'm going for a shoot, I feel so safe. I mean, a lot of people around me कि हाँ South में जा रही है काम करने. They, you know, because that's the perception. It doesn't have to be like that.
Correct.
I am a woman and I am free to do whatever work I want to in whichever place. But when a set of powerful, strong-minded, like strong-headed women comes together and they take a stand for another woman, and then they make that committee to make you feel safe. So I think this is a big change happening in Malayalam industry, and that something like this will obviously pass on to other industries also.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure. More power to you. And lastly, my favorite question, I've got the signal. So, I think 16th May I'll be in my hometown with my parents. Now, जब भी मैं अपने मम्मी पापा को मूवी दिखाने ले जाता हूँ, it's a battle क्योंकि मेरे पापा रिटायर्ड पुलिस ऑफिसर हैं, वो सिर्फ ऐसी मूवीज देखना चाहते हैं जिसमें कुछ रियलिटी हो. सो ही इज लाइक, या तो वो किसी की लाइफ पर हो या उसमें कुछ ट्रूथ हो, या वो न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते रहते हो.
और रियलिटी इसमें.
और मेरी मम्मी ऑन द अदर हैंड वो बोलती हैं कि मुझे सिर्फ एंटरटेनमेंट वाली मूवी चाहिए, मुझे नहीं देखनी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज या फिर लोगों की लाइफ की, क्योंकि लाइफ में ऑलरेडी बहुत कलेश है. तो आई जस्ट वांट टू गो टू अ फिल्म, मतलब थिएटर, एंड जस्ट गेट एंटरटेन, नथिंग एल्स. मेरे मम्मी पापा के लिए इस मूवी में क्या है?
दोनों है.
Both.
Both.
थोड़ा और,
For you also.
बट लाइक मोर.
मुझे
We'll show you that song after this interview.
पिक्चर ही दिखा देते उसको.
नहीं, पिक्चर तो मैं I'll watch it in भोपाल.
ऐसा लोग घूस दे रहे अमर को की.
See, at the end of the day, it's a murder mystery.
Yeah,
There's a police officer who's investigating.
बिल्कुल.
There's all of us
Wonderful
having to
cast.
discuss it
Yeah.
and deal with whatever has happened, right? So it's honestly both.
Yeah.
It is rooted in like real reality and a real group of friends, and then it has all of the twists and turns you would expect from a murder mystery. So honestly, it is both.
Okay,
Yeah.
lovely.
लवली से काम नहीं चलेगा अभी
मैं
देखना
देखूंगा.
जाके.
मैं डायरेक्टर से बात कर रहा था तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि चाहे इंडिया में शोज हों, चाहे फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स में शोज हों, या फिर इंडिया के बाहर जितने भी प्लेस हुए, नो वन हैज बीन एबल टू गेस टिल द लास्ट मोमेंट कि मेन मर्डरर कौन है, until shown. So I'm expecting the same, and I'll watch it.
Do you have
on
any
16th
guesses?
May.
Do you have any guesses from the teaser
Not
trailer?
at all. The trailer was so perfect that it cannot give any, like any indication कि ये हो सकता है. So it was a very finely cut trailer, I have to say.
Superb.
So please watch this film as soon as it drops on 16th May. And okay, Manju, is it you? No.
ये तो भोली है बेचारी जितना कोई क्या.
पास हो रहे हैं आप. Okay. So I'll watch the film and I'll let you guys know. बिल्कुल मैं देख के बताऊंगा, and all the best for the film.